How to connect Squarespace domain to your Shopify account? Let's in some setting. For this, what you have to do is mainly you have to click and open your Shopify store online store on your browser in front of you. First is Squarespace website as you can see, and on the second tab I will open the Shopify official website to show all of you that how we can create an account or how we can add a domain to our account. Now, this is the Shopify page, home page, and I want to select on the left bottom of screen there is a setting option. In setting, you have to click on the payment setting or the billing setting. Scroll to the down and here look out for the domain setting. Click on the domains and in the domain setting you can see there is a lot of option to search for domain. You can search any of domain from here. You can add your Squarespace domain just on this menu, and yes, you are done with it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates like this.